amazing and worthy stay. The owner and the manager are really nice people trying to help you with every need you may have. My cousin was sick and they took good care of us, prepared special tea for her for free and so on. The place is price-worthy and really clean and nice. As it is further outside, it is really calm and a lovely surrounding. Don't miss to take part in THR cooking class. The food is amazing. We would definitely stay there again. Location was no problem for us as the owner even helped us to organize food if we needed something. Free filtered water available in the city is just a 5 minutes, 200 Rp, drive away. Smile. Araliya Self-Cooking Resort Dambulla, a tranquil retreat in Sigiriya, Sri Lanka. Nestled amidst the serene landscapes of Sigiriya, Sri Lanka, Araliya Self-Cooking Resort Dambulla offers a unique and unforgettable experience for travelers seeking a peaceful getaway. With its tranquil ambience and warm hospitality, this 2-star hotel is the perfect choice for those looking to unwind and reconnect with nature. At Araliya Self-Cooking Resort Dambulla, guests can expect a hassle-free check-in experience, with check-in starting from 1 p.m. The hotel's friendly and attentive staff will be there to welcome you and assist with any queries or requests you may have. The checkout time is until 11 a.m., allowing guests to enjoy a leisurely morning before bidding farewell to this idyllic retreat. The hotel boasts a cozy and intimate setting with only 3 well-appointed rooms, ensuring a personalized and exclusive experience for every guest. Each room is tastefully furnished and equipped with modern amenities, providing a comfortable and convenient stay. Families traveling with children will be delighted to know that Araliya Self-Cooking Resort Dambulla offers a child-friendly policy, allowing children between the ages of 3 to 12 to stay free of charge. This makes it an ideal choice for a family vacation, where everyone can create lasting memories together.